Joey, they're in the other room. Tapos, nung tumakas ako, umasok ako doon, wala ka na nun.
Pinigilan ka ni Malu.
Yeah,
Dahil,
yeah.
uy, huwag ka dito.
Go out, ganun. Ang feeling ko from last time I stepped there was August 4. You know, it's been a long journey, sometimes sad, sometimes painful, sometimes happy and hopeful. And now to step actually in the studio, grab on the microphone, perform, see all of the people. I'm very happy. I'm glad to be home.
Okay. Wala man na bago nung pinapanood ka namin dito
Kailangan na ba ang kapaligiran naman medyo sanitized? Hindi ba pwede yung lapitan ka ng germs parang...
Well, during certain moments of like after, let's say, a treatment, chemotherapy treatment, definitely bumababa yung immunity. So I have to be, pero syempre, this is all part of a maintenance program. Okay naman.
Kahit halimbawa, may sipon ako pero wala naman, no? Pwede akong lumapit sa'yo. Pwede namang, o bawal yun.
Pwede ka magpunta kahit sa ang show. Wag lang yung mamayang gabi sa walang tulugan. May germs doon may germs.
Yun nga, pinakamatinding germs.
Kuya Germs, belated happy birthday.
Octoberian to
Magka-birthday nga pala itong dalawang to, no?
Yun nga, of course, I still have to watch my environment. Saka yung siguro wag lang yung talagang solid na yung maraming tao talaga. Pero one by one, okay naman so far.
Pero pwede ka nang mag-report sa work.
Physically fit ka na.
Diba, I told you nga, sabi ko, 5 hatsing lang, nandito na ako. Natupad na yon. So, pagbalik ko sa Broadway, siguro mga 1 hatsing at 1 kandirit na lang. Mag-host na ako sa Bulaga.
Alam mo, parang Kiko, alam natin na pag dumara po yung mga ganyang mga pagsubok sa mga tao, karaniwan naduduwag at naninervyos, natatakot na lang. Ano mga pare, siyempre, hindi rin namin masabi, hindi tayo healthy lagi, kami din. At yung mga taong nanonood sa atin, ano mga ginawa mo talagang pag-iisip at ganyan ka? Parang okay lang, wala lang.
Tayo lagi tayong, of course, yung maasa tayo sa medication, sa mga binibigay ng mga doctors, syempre sa lahat ito technical, but we seem to forget na yung significance ng body to fight back. Of course, that goes along with prayers and with a positive attitude. To me, kanina stepping on stage, being home, performing with a friend who also has a medical condition, this is all part of a healing process. Lalong lumakas kasi parang pakiramdam ko, kung titignan mo yung episode kanina, kung susuliin mong mabuti, this is a victory not only for the ratings game or anything, this is a victory for sick people all over. Kasi for me with cancer, for Ellie with this heart condition, pinakita namin na we can stand up against this illness and represent and be normal people, at least one day at a time.
Yan ang idol.
But what keeps Francis Magalona alive and kicking?
Of course, the Lord. Of course, I always pray to Him. My children, my family, and all the people who have been praying for me, my friends, followers, supporters. Yun, of course, Bulaga family, they've been through this journey, and I'm still undergoing treatment. On December, I'll do my 3rd chemotherapy treatment for the year. This is all part of a maintenance program.
Yeah.
Ayos. Pinapanood ko kanina pagdating ko rito. Sabi ko, tingnan mo to.
Tumatalon-talon pa oh.
Ayos yan, pare. Ako, idol kita ngayon. Hindi, kasi takot tayong lahat dyan Di ba? Ayaw natin magkasakit, pero alam naman natin, dadapuan tayo lahat dyan. Pare, pagkakataon mo na to, Kiko, para pasalamatan, dahil hindi ka naman madalas ma-TV, ngayon uli, yung mga gusto mong pasalamatan, ang daming tumutulong sa'yo at sumusuporta. Sige, go. Kiko.
Yeah, I'd like to thank, of course, Mr. Tony Tuviera, the tape staff, of course, Eat Bulaga, Tito Vic and Joey, all of the Dabarkads who have donated their effort and time to do these fundraisers. all of these people, of course, marami pang nagbigay ng support. Sila Richard Gomez, sila The Baguettes Group, of course, sila Ate V.
May germs na.
Si Ate V,
Doktor mo, yung mga...
yan,
Mga nurses.
my doctors at the Medical City, Dr. Jerry Sabado, Dr. Raona, Dr. Tyson, and the nurses, all of them, thank you very much. And of course, I would also like to thank Senator Richard Gordon for helping me dun sa Blood Cross, sa Red Cross. Si Tita Rosa Rosal,
Yes.
Tita Rose, thank you so much. And of course, my sister Maricar for my nourishment, my sister Malot, and everybody, all the people who have prayed for me, the Bosconians, all of my friends.
Sama ko dyan.
Everybody
Sabihin
who
mo rin
donated
sa kanila
their...
yung mga t-shirts.
Yeah.
Nakita ko kanina, ang gaganda talaga ng t-shirt.
Thank you to all the supporters and friends.
FMCC.
Yeah, all the people. Thank you so much, Miss Malufagar, yan, sila Alan K. Thank you. I mean, if your name is, yung pangalan it escapes me right now, you know who you are from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much for, of course, Mark McDowell for praying for me and all the Bosconian priests and everybody. Thank you so much.
Nagkita kayo ni Ellie Buendia kanina at nag-perform pa nga. Anong message mo sa kanya?
Kanina, nag-usap kami kahapon. Sabi ko, Ellie, handa ka ba? Sabi niya, first time ko mag-perform after the Eraserheads concert. Sabi ko, this is my first time also to perform with my band after June. It's my first time to perform in Eat Bulaga after the LA show. Parang it feels so good, sabi ko. So, kita-kits. Saka, we hope, I hope to collaborate with you again. More music. And, yun. Today was a victory for us. Pare, keep the faith. God bless. Mabuhay ka.
Okay, alam mo itong dalawang to, parehong baby face pa rin eh. Hindi.
Hindi nagkakaedad.
May sakit at wala, hindi nagkakaedad.
Lalong bata nga eh.
Oo, at pumopogi. Kiko, basta diyan ka lang. Okay ka lang.
Oo.
Nandito kami.
At nagpapasalamat kami sa iyo, Kiko, dahil naging very, very
Oo.
cooperative ka sa amin sa Startup.
Kayo pa, part
Maraming
ng Startup family yan.
Ano ka ba?
Yan ang pambungad, no?
Seamless!
Oo.
Seamless yan eh.
Mawala na silang lahat. Ito, nandito he stays.
Thank you very much. Of course, to GMA7, thank you. Sa lahat ng mga kapuso, thank you so much. Thank you.
Okay. Francis Magalona, yung mga t-shirt nga pala, yung mga nagtatanong.
Oo,
Suot ko
saan
kahapon
bilhin?
sa Itbulaga. Merong sa ibaba ng Itbulaga, yung
Broadway Centrum.
yung inuulit ko po, ito akin lang. Maganda yung design ni Kiko dahil yung star, pa-triangle nakaturo sa taas. Kasi yung ibang lumalabas, bumubulusok eh. So, ito maganda to. Nakatayo. Ayan. Para si Kiko. Nakatayo.
Diba? Laging nakatayo.
At habang nakatayo ka, hindi mamaya tatayo ka. Isang bagsak nga ulit.
Oo nga.
Bago tayo, before we segue into
Ito,
commercial.
live to.
Okay.
Tito, tiga, Kiko.
Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao. Seamless na!
Yun! Talagang with the same energy. Maraming salamat.
Thank you
Kiko,
so much.
we love you.
More power, Star Talk.
Hoy, salamat. 13th anniversary namin. Nandito Kiko Magalona. Pagbabalik pa po ang Start Talk.
Next. Pagkakawatak ng Eraserheads, pagkakaroon ng maselang heart condition at pagkamatay ng ina, itinuturing ng mga kabanata ni Ellie Buendia sa kanyang buhay.
I will look back on it and sabihin ko na, I'm glad to have survived that.
Later.
Jeneline Mercado, ninakawan ng milyong-milyong piso ng tauhan ng kanyang manager na si Becky Aguila. Ang panig ng tauhang pinaratangan, ilalabas na. Eksklusibo, dito lang sa Star Talk. Abangan!
Nakailan taon din ang E-Heads?
Well, it was actually harder.
A disbanded group, a failing heart condition, death of his mother. Bagamat mapaglaro talaga ang tadhana, Ellie Buendia has risen above such trials.
Kumusta yung puso mo, yung heart condition?
According to my doctor, Dr. Wilfred D., okay na.
As in,
Yeah, 100% cleared. I'm 100% cleared. After 2 months of rest and sinasabi na ng cardiac rehab, pwede na ulit akong sumabak sa kung ano man. With regards to work, yes, pwede na akong kumanta.
I was there when when he underwent his tests, and I was there when the doctor said that he is 100% fine. And yes, he is actually. And I'm very happy.
So wala ka ng fears in your heart?
Meron pa ring fears.